How to plan a UK or Dubai trip using Wakanow. Step 1. Choose how you want to plan the trip. Wakanow gives you two ways to plan your UK or Dubai trip. You can either go with one of their curated holiday package, which is by flight or hotel, or you can build the trip yourself using their flight and stay section separately if you want more control over each piece. Step 2. Sort out your visa early. Before anything else, handle your visa. Go to Wakanow visa consultation form.com on your website, then you select your destination country, either UK or Dubai, and follow through the process. Pay the consultation fee first, then you get your consultation sort book. You have to do this early because Wakana itself notes that visa insurance is entirely at the embassy discretion. So this step needs the most lead time in your trip. Step 3. Search and compare your flights. Now you have to head to the flight section by clicking on the flights. So you enter your travel details after finding your flights. So right here, you are going to enter your traveling details from maybe you are living from Nigeria to London, UK, or to Dubai. So right here, you are going to enter your traveling details on what you registered on your Wakana consolation fee. Step 4. Book your hotel and add any extra. After successfully entering your Wakana information, you move back and then click on hotel. So right here, you are going to book your hotel and add any extras. So from here, you can also add extras like car rentals or transfer through their travel express subscription to round your trip. So we have how many rooms you want to book, your check-in and check-out. So you have to select it by yourself. Step 5. Use pay small small to spread the cost. If the full trip cost is a lot to pay at once, Waka now lets you lock down your holiday package with just a 10% down payment, then pay the rest in instrumental through their pay small small feature, which can be useful for a UK or Dubai trip since flight, hotel, and visa fees all add up together.